whisper soft to my face. The world moves slow like it's lost in space. A saxophone sighs from a corner unseen. Steam curls up from a porcelain dream. Fingers trace circles in warm caffeine. Coffee and daydreams, that's all I need. A little bit of quiet, a little bit of me. Coffee and daydreams, let the time recede. Pen rolls idle on the tabletop. Words in my head, but the ink won't drop. Outside the window, the world is gray. Raindrops tap like a muted beat, each one a rhythm beneath my feet.